Why, hello there.
Look upon it.
In case you couldn't tell, I'm in the living room.
Look at his head bobs.
I got a new hat.
He is so fluffy and soft, it's wonderful. I am a girl.
I don't know what you're talking about. Uh-oh!
Yeah.
So here, we have a tiny chicken.
Yeah.
It's saying, I am a tiny chicken and I don't approve of this.
This may be fortuitous. No longer shall they be whatever that word is that I'm thinking of to each other. They can be autonomous. Autonomous creatures.
It's so little. I want to eat it. Dwayne is looking at me funny. Can't imagine why.
I just said fortuitous.
Hey Pepper. Hey Pepper. Hey Pepper. Hey Pepper. Hey Pepper. Hey Pepper.
Alright, I think I'm gonna have to just do this now. You're gonna have to become separate creatures that I might utilize them fully in future videos. That's right. I'm using fancy words now. I don't know why. It just happens sometimes.
So this has been our edition of Adorable Bird Theater.
Cut that.
He died.